It's mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, Joe? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Now this video has been highly anticipated, at least for myself. Since my birthday, since July 21st. If you watched that little short video that I made on my birthday, it was about me hitting on the Jordan 4 Off-White release, so the sale colorway. So I do have them right here. As soon as UPS pulled up, I opened the box already. So they are not in the Nike box, which is right here. Because I already opened them. But I want to apologize in advance. My energy is not where it needs to be, because literally minutes before I sat down in front of this camera, I got some bad news, some news that I really didn't want to hear. But such is life. You guys are not here. You don't care about my bad news and my bad days. You know what I'm saying? Things happen, and we gotta overcome it. So I'm still going to sit here and do this video. Then I'm going to go attend to that matter. But anyway, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and subscribe to the channel. Join the movement, man. We're growing, man. We're like 3,300 subscribers, man. And so I'm excited about that, and I'm excited about these. Now these were, obviously I think today is release day, right? Today, this morning was release day for these, the official release day. I hit on the early drop, which was on my birthday. I didn't hit. Jay hit on her phone just randomly. I was like, just check your phone real quick. She had early access, didn't even know it because she never gets on her sneakers app, and was able to hit. But anyway, let's get into the sneaker. I'm gonna try not to ramble and make this video too long, because like I said, I got things that I have to take care of, unfortunately. But we'll read the size label. It says Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. The colorway is sail muslin, white and black. This is a size 12 in women's. A size 10.5 is a size and a half difference. 10.5 in men's. So I'll show you that. Let that get at a second to focus. Bam, there you go. You see all of that. These do have a little QR code. And then you got your Swiss cheese box. You know what I'm saying? You got 2 holes on the top of mine, 3 holes on the back, 2.5 holes on this side, 3 holes. You get the point. It's holy. This is like, has plastic inserts where these holes are on the top. Red Jumpman with Flight. Alright, so you're gonna see the sneakers because this plastic is clear, but it does have Off-White 2020 on the plastic. And in there you can see the sneakers as well as the plastic that covers them with the black Jumpman. So let's peel this back and see exactly what we have in store. I'll pull out both because obviously you know Off-White comes one with a zip tie. So you do have 3 spare laces in the bottom. You got a white, like a teal blue, and a black in the box as well. It's underneath the plastic. I don't know if there's a quality control sticker in here. I didn't see one in here as well. But that's how mine came. And Nike did not send me a receipt. You know what I'm saying? I can put the receipt on the screen here. But anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get into the sneaker. So these are pretty cool, man. You got, hopefully my lighting doesn't wash these sneakers out because they are more of a white color. But as you can see, all around the mud guard, I'll try to get really close. I'm gonna have to turn the light down. But all around the mud guard, it's like this textured. From my understanding, it looks like the Off-White Jordan 5, where it's like this super textured toe mud guard. Up here on the toe box, It's more of a softer material. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's suede or I have no idea. Pretty much all you're looking at is the color. You know, Virgil is very well known for the deconstructed look of all of his collaborations as far as with Jordan and Nike, and that's the same thing you get on these. All of the edges around the tongue and some around the toe box and all that, it kind of looks unfinished and frayed. You do have this cream. Let me turn this light down. Give me 1 second. All right, I know I'm a little dark, but hey, we try to make it work, trying to get some of these details in here. Hopefully it's not too dark, but now you can see a little bit more of the color. So it's more, I think this is muslin, the more yellow looking color. You do have a clear heel tab with Nike Air on the back. Outsole is where you find that like Tiffany green on the toe, and right here on the Nike branding on the bottom. So that's probably where you're not going to see that match with the laces as far as when you're walking, but they do come with that color lace as well. You got like a smoke gray, or maybe it's black, but with that plastic over it, it makes it look gray. Jumpman on the tongue there. Obviously you got your upside down Air Jordan behind the tongue, and then you have your zip tie. I don't know if this one says anything. This one does not say anything on it. Mine is blank. And then you got your Beaverton Oregon off-white branding on the inside, and then obviously you got your Air font or text written on the midsole on this one. This one is the same exact sneaker, but it's just without the zip tie and the hang tag. Very, very clean colorway. These are not going to be going on foot, even though this is my size. 10.5 or 11 is my size. Let me get the light back on. Like I was saying, 10.5 and 11 is my personal size, but I don't know if I like these, if I love these sneakers enough to pass up the resale value of them. So if $1,200 or $1,500 or whatever they're currently going for, if somebody has that type of money and it means that much more to their collection than it means to mine, I'm a grown man with responsibilities. I'm not going to put a $1,200, $1,300 sneaker on my foot to show off to other men. I really don't care. I'd rather invest that into things that are more important, or even if I wanted to invest things that are more important and still go buy a few more pairs of sneakers with that type of money, then that's what I think I'll probably do, as opposed to depreciating the value of this just for an IG picture, or to keep it in the box to say I have it down the road. I don't know yet. We'll see. If you see me in an IG picture with these on, then you know I had to eat my words. If not, you know I made an investment into, making some improvements around my home. I'm just saying. But anyway, that's been enough. I have things that I have to take care of, so I'm gonna get out of here. I ain't gonna take up too much more of your time. I rambled enough. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section down below. Not just because they're hype and they're off-white or whatever. Let me know how you actually feel about the shoe itself. Is this sneaker fire? Is it dope? Or is it just like, oh, it's off-white, we supposed to like it? Let me know. Be honest. All right, y'all. OV!